Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Design with PC channel. Today we're taking a journey to the cosmos to create a stunning space-themed flyer for a club event. So buckle up designers, because we're about to blast off. We'll begin with a square document, the perfect canvas for our cosmic creation. Next, we'll add a captivating model image. Enter our stunning moon image, transformed into the ground surface, setting the stage for our space odyssey. We'll add the bold title, Alone in the Space, strategically placed behind our model to create depth and intrigue. But our hero won't be truly alone. They'll be packing some serious heat. Watch as we equip them with a mechanical backpack, ready to fire laser beams. Using gear images and the pen tool, we'll craft stunning laser beams, complete with glowing effects and smoke particles for added realism. And to amp up the action, we'll duplicate the effect, creating a dazzling display of power on both sides. And smoke particles for added realism. But space isn't just about stars and planets. It's also about the in-between, the vast emptiness filled with wonder. To capture this atmosphere, I added moon image in background, and we'll sprinkle in asteroids, rocks, dust particles, and even a touch of lightning and clouds. Now, let's brighten things up. We'll adjust the background color from dark to a more vibrant and inviting tone. Introduce another smaller gear image at the top with a matching laser beam effect. Using the camera raw filter, we'll carefully edit their lighting, creating a natural and eye-catching glow. Don't forget the twinkling stars, adding depth to the background. The final touches. We'll add a spotlight effect to balance the lighting, ensuring our hero truly shines. A subtle noise texture and color correction will further enhance the realism and mood. And there it is. Our space-themed flyer is complete, ready to transport viewers to another world. So, what do you think? Did we successfully launch into the design stratosphere? Let me know in the comments below. And if you'd like to download this cosmic creation for your own projects, be sure to check the link in the description. Remember to subscribe to Design with PC for more stellar design adventures. Until next time, stay creative and keep reaching for the stars.